Second day of crow diplomacy. I offered them peanuts with love. They offered me silence and die. I also found out my bloody camera ran out of battery. Perfect timing, right? Anyway, I got some tips from the comments, so today I'm trying monkey nuts. Bloody expensive, by the way. This diplomacy is getting costly. And look at this, I even bought them a fancy stainless steel cat water bowl. Thought a bit of shine might charm them. But honestly, I think that birdhouse is too small for their ego. What do you think?